All right, I'd like to welcome back brothers Avery Moore and Ken Week. Give us a little update about what's going on with your situation.
Hey everybody, we just here to give you a little update since the last video. Back in July, we got a visit from Department of Homeland Security Office and Inspector General for the simple reason that the information that we presented, that we told you about on the last interview, the polygraph and all the information we presented to Delta, we also presented it to the Department of Homeland Security up in Washington, and they came to launch an investigation about discrepancies and wrongful conduct on their employees' end. And they say it was a lot of discrepancies in the information given, one being mainly the polygraph and the way they went about doing the investigation and the connection that it had with our previous employer, Delta Airlines. And to give a status on the update, we still are terminated, but yet we still will continue this fight to just show the people that, you know, with the union, a lot of this due process could have saved us time, effort, and resources, our personal resources. And we just wanted to just give you this quick update to just let you know we are still continuing to fight for the employees to open their eyes and just encourage them to take better interest in their personal welfare as far as employment. And that's it.
Brother Avery?
And we also just wanted the Greg Kennedy and Rich Anderson, them to hear our side of the story. Yes, I'm just encouraging you Delta employees to sign your union cards. Because we won't want you all to end up in the same situation that me and Ken is in.
All right, brothers, stay encouraged, man.
Thank you.